Hit the outcome and stop it. I told you, fool, stop it. Stop. Okay, see now, you know it. Stop it. Okay. Take two. Come on, just keep it rolling. Now push it back further. Push it back further. At least a little bit, about right up to here. You gotta put your. Ready, set, go! Okay, my stunt double career is up.